Today is Friday, April 17th. I'm Lily Stowell. Today's birthdays go to Aiden Myers and Ashton Maples Cook. Saturday birthdays go to Jackson Christensen, Michael Hopkins, Connie McCarthy, Ella Petrie, Amy Ritter, and Garrison Scholes. Sunday birthdays go to Alyssa Batchman, Dallas Foreman, Cambry Hedrick, Mary Page Miller, Andrew Nichols, Zamir Outler, Wyatt Swisher, Heron Thedway, and Rebecca Van Epps. Happy birthday, everyone! Ever wondering what good food ideas you can make for your family and friends? Here's Gabby and Gianna with more.
Today we are going to be showing you some simple but delicious Pinterest recipes. First up, we will be doing peanut butter banana muffins. You will need 2 bananas, 2 eggs, peanut butter, maple syrup, honey, vanilla extract, baking soda, and mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. Add 1 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of honey, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 eggs, and 2 bananas. And then blend it all together. Once you're done blending, pour the batter into a bowl. Add 1 cup of chocolate chips and mix. Put cupcake liners in a cupcake tray. Now start pouring your batter into the cupcake liners. Bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And this is what they should look like when you're done. Next is the mini Oreo cheesecake recipe. You will need 10 Oreo cookies, 1 tablespoon of butter, 12 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 egg, a pinch of salt, half a cup of chopped Oreo cookies, 1 cup of heavy cream, a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 12 mini Oreo cookies for topping. To make the crust, add melted butter into crushed Oreo cookies. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and half a cup of sugar into the bowl of cream cheese. Add a pinch of salt and an egg. Mix all these things together. Pour the mixture on top of the crust and put them in the oven. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Top everything off with some whipped cream and Oreo minis. And just like that, you're done. Will you be trying these recipes out? This has been Gabby and Gianna signing out from STTV.
Wondering how sports are overcoming their seasons during this tough quarantine? Here's Tate and Victor with more.
A few weeks ago, as the COVID-19 or coronavirus pandemic continued to spread and infect new parts of the world, it didn't take long for the world of professional sports to be negatively affected. On March 11, 2020, the National Basketball Association decided to suspend its season indefinitely after the first case of COVID-19 among league personnel was identified in Utah Jazz center Rudy Gobert. This action by Commissioner Adam Silver sparked a chain of events that shocked the world. The preceding day, March 12, 2020, will forever be known as the day the sports world stopped. After all was said and done on this fateful day, the NHL had suspended its season. MLB decided to delay their opening day, scheduled for March 26th. The NCAA men's and women's Division I basketball tournaments were both canceled. The PGA Tour called off its Players' Championship event after just one round of play. Winter and spring championships and dozens of NCAA sports were called off for the year, and the list goes on and on. With all of these cancellations, how is society expected to continue to get coverage of the sports they have grown to love? Although we are unable to witness any live sporting events at this moment, there are still ways to watch our favorite players in action. To start, for those of you who missed football season, the NFL website offers the purchase of the NFL Game Pass, which allows you to watch any preseason, regular season, or playoff game dating back to the 2009 NFL season. For baseball fans who may have to wait to see their favorite team suit up, Major League Baseball offered the promotion of Opening Day at Home, which makes memorable games from all 30 franchises available for your viewing pleasure. Along with these two alternatives to live sporting events, popular sports networks such as ESPN have placed an emphasis on airing old classics as well, which allow us to relive history in a time where new history cannot be written. Although we are currently unable to see how our beloved professional sporting seasons will begin, or end in some cases, we are in fact fortunate enough to have opportunities to continue to have sports available to us in several platforms for our viewing pleasure. Before we know it, we will be back to seeing how each league's 2020 season will unfold, and our sporting lives will be back to the ways of old. This is Tate and Victor signing off for STTV.
Well, that's all we have for you today, Staley. Be sure to check us out on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, and don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for daily shows and more. And don't forget to be safe. We're all in this together. Stay safe, everyone. Have a good Friday.